Take a ride in the 2016 Optima. The all-new Kia Optima offers a new level of style and performance features from Kia. The Optima also features engine management systems like direct injection and turbocharging, which enhance performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Its smooth flowing lines speak of grace and style and offer a strong hint of European luxury, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic sunroof, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather shift knob, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Your new ride is just a phone call away.